So, I wanted to talk a little bit about YouTube shopping today because we're seeing some new features and tests happen with YouTube shopping. According to Digiday, YouTube is actively investing in social commerce despite some initial challenges. So, YouTube shopping isn't a new thing, but it's something that they're constantly reiterating and working on changing to make it a smooth process. The idea is that you're able to watch a YouTube video and then easily see the products that are being spoken about, click on the links, and buy. It seems that TikTok is the king of shopping right now, with a huge rise in TikTok Marketplace and TikTok Lives, particularly here in the UK over the last few months. But YouTube is investing in their long term strategy and is very aware that they don't want to be left behind on social commerce. They're focused at the moment on redefining their existing features to make shopping while watching videos as seamless as possible. So, one of the things that they are doing is they are observing some of their tests happening in Southeast Asia. So, they've recently expanded YouTube shopping affiliate programs in Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, where viewers can purchase products via embedded links. So you can see the images here of how this looks. If Southeast Asia experiment proves successful, elements of it could be introduced into the Western markets, including the UK, this year. YouTube first launched its shopping channel in South Korea in June 2023, featuring around 30 brands with a focus on live shopping. But that hasn't come across to the UK yet. I think they're still working on getting it just right before they do launch it in some of the Western markets as well. In the US, the shopping affiliate program was expanded last year to include more US based creators. So you might remember partnerships with Kylie Jenner and Mr. Beast being utilized. And this was with a partnership with Shopify. So creators had to be using Shopify if they wanted their products to be tagged in their YouTube videos. And you can see examples from Mr. Beast here. So the team is designing its commerce product as well so that it can offer a second screen experience where viewers can see a product on their TV and then use their phone to check the price and make a purchase. I think that's really interesting as well, as we've recently discovered, particularly in the US, that actually the most popular device for watching YouTube on at the moment in the US is televisions. So YouTube is actually being watched more on TV than it is anywhere else on any other device, phone, iPad, computer. And actually, I'm beginning to spot that behavior myself at home, kind of watching more YouTube Kids, watching more YouTube kind of podcasts actually on a smart TV rather than on a phone. And I wonder if it's because it's that longer form content. So, some of the tips that YouTube has recently shared is that, well, first of all, they're aiming to replicate the success of WeChat in China into the Western world. So, that's kind of their big aim. But something to think about is if you are selling e commerce products, how can you connect your YouTube channel to your shop? So, how are you driving traffic back to your shop? Can you tag products in your content, in your videos? Maybe at the moment, if that integration isn't available for you wherever you are in the world, it's more about making sure that your descriptions on YouTube have the relevant links in them. Maybe you've got a good URL link going through to your shop on your channel banner. You can also join the YouTube affiliate program as well if you are interested in doing so. So, a few more tips coming out of YouTube shopping, but we'll certainly keep you posted on any new launches of that in the UK.